Yes, so pepper soup lovers, move closer. So today's video, guys, I'm cooking catfish pepper soup. I'm adding my catfish on the pot, it's neatly washed. Next, I'm adding onions, and then I'm adding blended garlic, ginger, and red pepper. Next, I'm adding water, and then I'm going to add my maggi. I will add my salt, and then my dry pepper. Remember, you can use fresh pepper if you have. Next, I'll cover it and allow it to boil. Once it's boiled, I'm going to stir it a bit and then add the main ingredients, pepper soup spice, add my crayfish, and then give it a stir and cover it again to boil for another 2 minutes. Next, guys, I'm adding dry uziza. You can use the fresh one if you have, but I have the dry one. Give it a stir, and then that is it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on our next one. Bye.